Here, we're feeding Joji some pears, and he's just been smiling, smiling, smiling. This is his first pear, so I'm going to see if I can get it on video, although I usually won't. You ready? Want some? Want some more? Want some more? Good boy. Yeah? Yeah, good, huh? Ready? Here, want some more? Come on. No, put the thing down. Put it down. Ready? Oh, that's so good, huh? Yeah, it's so good. Yummy. Ready some more? Ready? Smile. Smile. Yeah. Oh, that's good, huh? That's good, huh? Want some more? Here we go. Ready? Open up. Smile. There you go. Kind of. All right, good boy. Let's put this down. Okay, here we go.